Hey there! Thank you for watching my new video. I've got a new stitch for you and it's this one. It's the Eiffel Tower stitch, and I think I should have blocked my work because then the Eiffel Towers will come up more nicely. But I just wanted to show you how I can crochet this stitch. And this is the front and this is the back, and I do like the front better. So for me there's just one right side and one wrong side. So I want to show you how you can crochet this pattern. I've got my yarn and I've got my crochet hook of 5mm. And first we're going to make a slip knot. And we need to make a foundation chain with a multiples of 4 plus 2. So first make a multiple of 4. So I'm gonna do a little foundation chain over here. I've got a multiples of 4 and then I need to add 2 more chains. So 1 and 2. So for row 1 we're gonna skip that first chain and in the next one make a single crochet. Now we're gonna make 6 chains because we need to make the tower. So we're gonna skip the first 2 chains of the 6 we just made, and in the next one make a single crochet. And in the next one make a half double crochet. In the next one make a double crochet. And in the next, that's the last of the 6 chains you just made, make a treble crochet. Now let's go over to the single crochet you just made in the foundation chain, and from then count 1, 2, 3 chains. So you're gonna skip the 3 chains, and in the next one make a single crochet. So you just made your first tower over here, and just repeat this for the rest of your row. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Skip the first 2 chains, and the next one make a single crochet. In the next one make a half double crochet. In the next one make a double crochet. And in the next one make a treble crochet. And now just count where you just made your single crochet on your foundation chain. So count 1, 2, 3 chains and skip them, and in the next one make a single crochet. So your tower is now just on the foundation chain. So continue this until you have 4 chains left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make your last tower and then a single crochet in the last stitch. So chain 6, skip the first 2 chains, in the next one make a single crochet. In the next one make a half double crochet. To the next make a double crochet, and in the next make a treble crochet. So for me I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches left, so in the last one, in the 4th, I'm gonna make a single crochet. So this is how it looks right now, and if your base chain or foundation chain is longer, then you will have more points over here or more towers. So for row 2 we're gonna make 6 chains, and we're gonna turn, and these 6 chains will count as a double treble crochet and chain 1. So in the skipped 2 chains in your tower over here, we're gonna make a single crochet. Now chain 3. In the next tower, in the chain, the 2 chains you skipped, make a single crochet. and do this for the rest of your row until you are at your last tower or your last point over here. So make your single crochet in that tower top like this. But now we need to go down here to finish this row. So now chain 1, I'm gonna make a double treble crochet. So that means yarn over 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. And down here, there you have your single crochet. So turn your work a little bit, and you can see here is your single crochet from row 1. And in there, we're gonna drop a loop, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see over here, we just made it more nicely at the sides. And for row 3, we're gonna work the last stitch over here in the top, in the 5th stitch. So this will be more square if we are finishing row 3. So for row 3, you're gonna need to chain 1 and turn your work. And in the very first stitch, that was your double treble crochet, we're gonna make a single crochet. And I have to pay attention because at the beginning and the end, we're gonna make a slight, well, not this wide of a tower, but we're gonna make like a little bit of half towers. So we're gonna make a chain 5 instead of a chain 6, and we're gonna skip that first chain. In the next one, we're gonna make a slip stitch. To the next stitch, we're gonna make a single crochet, and in the next 2 stitches, we're making 1 half double crochet. So you can see the difference between the normal Eiffel Tower and these sides, like I'm calling it a half Eiffel Tower, because these will come in between the Eiffel Towers from row 1. Okay, so for that first point, that first tower over here, in that single crochet, we're gonna make 1 single crochet. So we're gonna secure the towers on the row 2. And now we are making the normal towers. So chain 6 now. Skip the first 2 chains, and next one make a single crochet. In the next one make a half double crochet. In the next one make a double crochet. And in the next one make a treble crochet. Now let's go over to the next single crochet over here, that's on the top of the next tower, and I'm going to make a single crochet to secure the tower over here. Now chain 6, skip the first 2 chains, and next one make a single crochet. In the next one make a half double crochet. In the next one make a double crochet. And in the next one, the last one, make a treble crochet. So go over to the next single crochet from one row below, that's on the top of your Eiffel Tower here, and make a single crochet. And now you are not done, because we made a half tower over here, 2 towers in between the other ones, and we need to make the end over here. So we're gonna make a half tower by chaining 5, and then skip the first stitch. In the next one make a slip stitch. In the next one make a single crochet, and in the last 2 stitches make a half double crochet. And now what we're gonna do, you have your chain 6 over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in the 5th you're gonna make a single crochet. So on the 5th chain from row 2 of your 6 chains, we're gonna make this single crochet. So we're gonna go secure the edges over here. Okay, so now for row 4, I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna turn and work. And now you gotta pay attention because you have 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches on the side over here, and a chain 1 covers the first stitch over here. That's the half double crochet. In the next half double crochet over here, we're gonna make a slip stitch. In the next stitch, that was the single crochet over here, we're gonna make a slip stitch. And in the slip stitch over here, we're gonna make a slip stitch. Okay, so now I'm gonna chain 1, and on top of this tower here, we're gonna make a single crochet. Now chain 3, and onto the next tower in the chain 2 space, I'm gonna make a single crochet. Now chain 3, and in the next tower make a single crochet on top of that tower in the chain 2 space you just skipped. Chain 3, and do this for the rest of your row until you are at your last tower, and then make a single crochet. And then there you have your row 4. And you can see this comes up a little bit to the side, and that's just part of this, well, this pattern. But you can choose to block your work, or maybe make an edge of single crochets when you're done with your crochet work. So that's an option. Now for row 5, chain 1, turn your work, do that first stitch over here, make a single crochet, and now we're going to make towers again, just normal towers. So chain 6, and skip the first 2 chains, and then in the next one make a single crochet, the next one make a half double crochet, in the next one make a double crochet, and in the next one make a treble crochet. And then go over to the next single crochet of your previous row, that's on top of your tower over here, make a single crochet. And just continue this for the rest of this row. So chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first 2 chains, and the next one make a single crochet, the next one make a half double crochet, the next one make a double crochet, and in the next, it's the last one, make a treble crochet. And make a single crochet on top of the next tower. And now just chain 6 again. Skip the first 2 chains, the next one make a single crochet, the next one make a half double crochet, the next one make a double crochet, and in the next one make a treble crochet. And then I have the last tower, that's the half tower over here, and on top in that single crochet make 1 single crochet. And that was row 5, and all you need to do now is to repeat row 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for row 2 it was chain 6, and then on top make a single crochet, chain 3, make a single crochet in the next top, chain 3, make a single crochet onto the next top, and if you are at the last top over here, then chain 1 and make a double treble crochet in a single crochet of the row below, and just continue making then half towers, whole towers, and at the end half towers, and then just go ahead and repeat just row 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I hope you liked it, and I'm curious if you're gonna make something with this Eiffel Tower stitch. And if you do not want to miss any of my new videos, subscribe to my channel and put on the notifications, and then you get a message so when I uploaded something new. And for now, I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.